Okay, today I'm going to show you how we're going to make pure calcium that you can give to your birds, or you can consume it. Pure calcium, and it's free. And every homestead has a lot of this. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. Okay, I'm going to show you how you take your eggshells and prepare them to make calcium powder. Okay, pure calcium. Alright, you're on the homestead, you're cooking eggs on a regular basis. What we did, we fired up the old Norge stove, and we're putting our eggs. We're going to boil the eggs shells for 5 minutes. Now we're boiling for 5 minutes. Then we're going to let it cool. What you hear is the dryer going. This is not the, the egg boil. Here's the dryer over there. Making all that noise. That Maytag. Turn on the fan. Okay, like I said, we'll go 5 minutes and we're gonna let it cool. And I'll show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, we're at 5 minutes. We're gonna shut the heat off. Turn the heat off. I'm gonna let her cool down. Okay, this is gonna be 400 to 500 milligrams of calcium per half tablespoon. Now you can save these eggs in your refrigerator until you have enough to do this. I don't have a lot here, just a few, just to show. Okay, I've removed any membranes, boil them for, you can go 10-15 minutes. That kills the salmonella, any salmonella that's in the egg. Okay, now we're gonna bake them. Alright. We're going to bake them. We're going to bake them for 30 minutes at 250 degrees. Okay. Let them bake. Alright, 30 minutes. What this is going to do is kills any other salmonella, any other germs that might be on them, which it shouldn't be after boiling them. And then it's going to make them brittle, where we can put them in our grinder and make calcium powder. Now you can consume this calcium powder yourself, or you can mix in a smoothie, do whatever, or you can give it to your chickens. Excuse me. You can give it to your chickens or birds. Excuse me again. Okay. So next we're going to let this bake and cool down, and then we're going to show you how we're going to grind them up. Okay, now our eggshells have been boiled and baked. Okay. Now we have our grinder. This is the same grinder, coffee bean grinder that I use to do my, go back and show you. I use to do my feed for the chickens and the quail. Now, this is calcium I'm not eating myself. You could. This is going to go to the chickens. Okay. And I just crush it up and put it in there. It's pretty simple. I'll crush it up. And it crushes easy because we baked it. Okay. We baked them. Of course, they're totally cool. We let them cool. Okay. And then we just take it. Now this is going to make calcium powder. Alright. It's got a little dust. Okay. Might get on the camera lens, let's hope not. And you got a powder. Okay. Put a few more in there. Like I said, for laying hens, chickens or quail, I'll add a little calcium. And it's pretty much free. I mean, you throw this away. Okay. Just remember, if you use the eggs, okay, if you take the eggs and fry them up, let's say you take the, you crack them open and you fry them, okay, you need to take those shells, now take the shells and boil them for 5 to 10 minutes before you bake them. Okay, it gets rid of any E. coli. Now, if you've already boiled, if the shells are from boiled eggs, you can skip that part of boiling. You go straight into baking them. Okay. And it don't take long. It don't take long to, as you can see, it's gonna be a little smoky. Okay, it doesn't take long to turn them into calcium. And that is pure calcium. Like I say, you can give that, what I do is I give that to my chickens. And it's free. It's something you're not gonna, you see? It's something that you're gonna throw away. Look at this. It's a lot of calcium. Okay, for your laying hens. Okay, how we do it on the homestead? How we take shells that would have thrown away and turn it to a calcium powder to feed the chickens. Now, if you're going to do your own, you could eat this. You can do this for yourself if you want calcium. Okay, if you want to add calcium to your diet, you can definitely do it. But make sure, like I said, you boil the shells for 5 to 10 minutes before you bake them. Okay, just like I just did. I just baked everything. Okay, and that's what we do here. How we take eggshells, and turn them into food for the chickens or for yourself. How we do it here. Okay, what I want to add is if you're pickling quail eggs, you're going to have a lot of quail egg shells. Okay. You can do the same thing. Like I said, it's something you would throw it away, and it's free calcium. Okay, I just put a little bit in their feed. I'll sprinkle a little bit in the feed, just to lay in hens. Okay. I use it mostly for my quail. All right. Supplies them with calcium. All right. Easy to do, and it's free, almost. Virtually free, I should say.